Are you up for a small challenge? Can you spot 2 cuddling rabbits, a gentle hand brushing someone's hair, something warm fresh from the oven, and a tiny landscape hiding inside a book? This journey starts with a purple bouquet. What kind of story could be hiding inside this purple bouquet? Who might be sharing this quiet little corner? And what tiny moments are waiting to be discovered between the flowers? Before we begin, here's a little reminder. Wallpaper and coloring page are available on Coffee if you would like to explore the finished artwork more closely. So back to this bouquet. At first, there wasn't a plan for rabbits, books, or cozy corners. There was only the collection of purple flowers spreading naturally in every direction. Some petals leaned towards deep violet, others drifted into soft lavender, blue purple, and pale lilac. Together they became the center of a world that didn't exist yet. As the bouquet grew larger, they started asking the question, what kind of moment was these flowers
when I'm with you, my love, we are all there is.
Near the bottom
when I'm with you, my love, nothing compares to this.
One larger and bright, one smaller and warm brown. They felt peaceful from the very beginning, as if they had always belonged there. Once they arrived, the mood of the entire painting is changed. The bouquet was no longer just the flowers. It became a place where someone could slow down and stay a while.
When I'm with you, my love, nothing compares to this. When I'm with you, my love, we are all there
On the other
is.
side of the bouquet, a
When
tiny
I'm
leaf
with you,
was an
my
open
love,
book.
nothing
The flowers
compares, nothing
partially covered the
compares to
pages,
this.
almost as if they are growing directly from the story itself. Inside the book is a quiet landscape. Simple mountains, tiny trees, a small scene hiding inside another scene. Nearby, warm food began to gather around the flowers. A slice of toast, sweet figs, roasted peppers, glowing with warm colors. A teapot quietly tucked into the background. None of these objects were planned from the start. They arrived one by one, helping shape the feeling of the space. Not a perfect space, just a comfortable one. A place where reading might turn into daydreaming, or daydreaming might turn into sleep. Then another detail appeared, a hand, not holding a book, not reaching for food, just gently brushing someone's hair. That small addition changed the story completely. Suddenly, this wasn't only the cozy corner, it became a caring corner. A moment of quiet affection. The kind of moment that often goes unnoticed while it's happening, but becomes a treasured memory later. One hidden detail just appeared. Did you catch it? As the world continued to grow, the rabbit started feeling more alive. The larger rabbit received a soft ribbon tied into the bow. The smaller rabbit gained a decorated scarf with tiny details of its own. These weren't necessary, but they made the rabbit feel like characters instead of shapes. The larger rabbit feels calm, the smaller rabbit feels curious. Together they look like they have been sharing stories all afternoon. Or perhaps listening to someone else read. The flowers continue watching over everything from above, almost like silent witnesses. What I love most about this piece is that the bouquet doesn't dominate the story. Instead, it connects everything. The rabbits, the book, the food, the gentle hands, the child. Every object feels separated. Yes,
when I'm with you, my love, we are all there is.
It's almost as if the bouquet is collecting memories. Small moments, warm moments, and turning them into something worth keeping. Did you find all hidden details. One of them is still easy to miss. Now the world is complete. The bouquet belongs in a cozy corner filled with warmth and companionship. The people here love stories. They share quiet moments together. They leave room for gentle surprises.
When I'm with
The
you,
rabbits
my
have found a
love,
place to
nothing
rest.
compares
The
to
child has
this.
found a story to explore.
When I'm with you, my
flowers have
love,
found a
we
world
are
to
all
grow
there is.
And all
When
of
I'm
these
with
tiny
you,
moments
my
now belong
love,
together.
nothing compares to this.
Thank you for spending your time in this cozy corner with me. If you'd like this finished artwork, the wallpaper and coloring page are available on my Ko-fi. And until the next bouquet grows into a new world, keep looking closely. There's always another small story waiting to be discovered.